Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I am here with a video response for my dear sweet friend Siobhán, who is Pearl and Button. And I'm going to have a link to Siobhán's channel in the description box. She has a challenge going on right now. And if you are not subbed to this very talented friend of mine, please go over and sub to her because she makes the most beautiful shabby projects. So when she announced her challenge, I was super excited because I knew that I wanted to participate. So Siobhán is asking for some tags. She actually asked for only 2 tags, but I did make you 4, and 2 stick pins. And she wants the tags to wrap her lace on. So Siobhán, I thought I'd give you a little head start and put some lace on it for you. I didn't want to send them blank, but you know, I just picked a few things from my stash that I thought you would like. So let me show you what I did for Siobhán. And I did the tags in this lovely pink paper from Kaiser Craft. And you'll have to forgive me, I've forgotten the name of the paper, but if anybody really wants to know, just message me and I'll put it in the comments section. So the tags had to be a certain size, and again, the link is going to be down below, but let me measure this just to remind myself. Yes, they were 7 inches in length by 3.5, I believe, but with the lace on it, it makes it a bit bigger. Excuse me. So let me show you what I did. I'll show you this first, and then I'll take it off and show you the tag. So I added some trim to it, as I mentioned, and this piece here is one of my little crocheted embellishments, and I shared a video with some gypsy ones that I made. This is a lovely Parisian lady in black and pink, and it's on a lovely pink crocheted doily, and it says Paris on it. So I've added that for you, Siobhán, to use on a future project if you like. So I put that on the front here, and then I added this little stick pin. And these pink flower bead caps are available at Craft Supplies for You. And I added a little variegated flower in the top of the stick pin, and then some pearls from my bead stash. So that's that stick pin. And again, she only asked for 2, but I've added a few extra. So there's a pin holding in the embellishment, which is this size. And again, let me get my ruler and measure that. I think, yeah, this is a 2-inch pin. Siobhán, that's a 2-inch pin, but I've added the bigger pins here for you, and I've left them blank. So I've given you 2 with the little crystal top and 2 with the pearl top, and you can make your own stick pins with those. So they're just going to be tucked in on this tag here. And then I've added some lace for you, pretty dangle trim for you to play around with. And then, just let me get that off, and then these are the tags that I did for you, and there's the back. So they're just all in lovely pinks and very shabby, and then I stamped at the top the word vintage and a little crown on each one of them. This was already on the paper down here, and then I distressed around the edges. So all the tags basically look the same. They're all the same, so I'm not going to bother taking the lace off the other ones. I'll just show you the tags. So that's this tag, and then we'll put that back on before I ship it, of course. And then the next tag here, I've made this stick pin with the pretty butterfly, and again, these pink butterflies are available at Craft Supplies for You. And this time I used one of the 3-inch with the pearl top, and then some beads from my stash down here. So there's that, and there's a piece of fluff on there. So there's that one. And then, of course, there's another pearl pin here. And you can take these out and just use regular pins and, you know, redo these if you like, Siobhán. These are the smaller 2-inch pins, but, you know, you can do what you like with these. Here I've got this stick pin with some really pretty blingy beads right there, and that's just got a little pearl on the top, and then there's a small stick pin here, a little 2-inch pin with just one little bead on it. And then over here on this tag, I've done a blue one for you with a heart on it, and because I know you like blue as well as I do. And then this one just has a really small little pin in it, and some, of course, some more little dangle trims for you, and so you can add those to your collection, Siobhán. But again, everybody, please go over and check out Siobhán's challenge. She's asking for 2 tags and 2 stick pins, so super easy to put that together and send to my very talented friend. I am excited for her. Her channel is growing, and I'm really happy to join in your challenge, Siobhán. So these will be coming to you. I'm getting them mailed out on Wednesday, so they will be coming your way. And I'm going to add the extra stick pins in this one for you, Siobhán. And that for the lace, and that's it. And I will be back with another video. Please check out Siobhán's challenge. Link is in the description box below. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.